Welcome to Ask the Attorney. I'm Kristen Brunell, and I'm joined by Attorney Radner from the Heyman Law Firm. Thank you for joining us.
Good morning. Thanks for having me.
Our first question is from Aaron, and he says, I was riding my motorcycle when a vehicle came out from a stop sign from my right. I knew that I wasn't going to have time to stop, so I swerved to my right to try and get around the back of him as he pulled in front of me. But I hit a patch of sand on the road just at the mouth of the intersection, and I went down. The car just took off. I broke my collarbone and have road rash all over my arm. What can I do?
So there's a few things you can do. One of them is really critical, urgent in a time sense. That is sending a notice to the town or the city or the state, whoever runs that, and notify them of a defect on the road. So the second step is even more important, which is to make sure that you give notice to your insurance company. And the reason you're doing that is to make what's called an uninsured motorist claim. The Heyman Law Firm, we talk to clients about uninsurance all the time, underinsurance. You buy the maximum you can to protect yourself against a situation just like this. But that's your best avenue of recovery, and it's going to take proof of what happened. And that's why you need an attorney to also gather the information and kind of show you the ropes and understand that process and guide you through it.
And how long can that process take for them?
So normally with an uninsured claim, the first step in determining whether it actually exists and whether you have a good case, that's not going to take too long because your insurance company is going to figure out pretty quickly whether they accept your testimony and other physical evidence to show that an uninsured vehicle, or a hit and run vehicle in this case, fled the scene, and accept the claim, and then you can present it for compensation. The length of time getting that compensation is going to be dictated by how long you need treatment, and so is the value. So it takes time to develop the medical evidence to figure out what the true value of the claim is, how it has impacted your daily living, and what the end result is. Are any of the injuries you sustain permanent? That could take a long time. Depends on each case, so the actual result will depend on how long you need treatment for and what your end medical result is.
Thank you so much, Attorney Radner. And if you would like to ask the attorney a question, you can call 1-800-HEYMAN or go to heymanlaw.com.